Hello students, my BL Sharma, maths discussing sample question paper issued by CBSE of class 10 session 2024-25. And this is mathematics basic with the code number 241. The total number of hours, that is 3 hours, and maximum marks is 80. But in this video, I will be discussing only the multiple choice questions, means first 20 questions of this of the paper, of the board paper. There are 18 multiple choice questions and two questions of assertion region questions. The total weightage is 80 marks and the total duration is 3 hours. But this video is very important for you if you want to decide whether you have to opt standard mathematics or basic mathematics. I think you must have done almost all the chapters. I have written the chapters also with the questions so that you can decide the difficulty level for you. That yes. At the same time, I also will be uploading the video of the standard mathematics, right? So you can compare, then you can decide which means option is better for you, whether it is basic maths or standard maths, right? So let us start. Actually, these are the means chapters. Chapter 1, real numbers. Chapter 2, polynomials. Chapter 3, pair of linear equations into variables. Chapter 4, quadratic equations. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Chapter 6, triangles. 7, coordinate geometry. 8, introduction to trigonometry. 9, some application of trigonometry. 10, circles. 11, area related to circles. Then 12, surface areas and volumes. 13, statistics. And chapter number 14, probability. There are the 14 chapters in your syllabus. This is the first question of chapter number 1, real numbers. The SCF of these numbers will be. We know that the SCF of the given number is the taking the SCF, you write all the prime factors 2 and 5 and 3. In this, take the lowest power of it. See here, the lowest power of 2 is 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. This is lowest. This is 2 power 1 means 2. So we have written here 2. Now, the lowest power of 5, 5 power 2 is here, 5 power 3 is here, and 5 power 1 is here. Which is lowest power? 5 power 1. And for 3, we have to see the lowest power. 3 power 3, 3 power 2, and 3 power 4. So the lowest power here is 3 power 2. So 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, that is 90. So therefore you can say that B is the correct option. The system of linear equations represented by the lines L and M is. See here. Here are two lines. One line is L, this line. And Other line is n, this line. The two lines are intersecting at one point, this point. So we can say that these are, what do we mean by consistent? Consistent means having solution. Whether one solution or one more than one solution means infinitely many solutions. So for consistent, it means we can say this is consistent because having a solution. But these two lines are intersecting at only one point. ये दोनों lines केवल एक ही point पे intersect करती है. So we can say that yes, these are consistent and unique solution. Unique solution means intersecting exactly at one point. So A is the correct option. The value of k for which the quadratic equation kx square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 does not have a real solution is. We know that for a real solution does not have real solution means the condition is discriminant should be negative. And discriminant is b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. This is condition for imaginary root, means not real roots. Here b is minus 5, minus 4, a is k, and c is 1. It should be less than 0. So 25 minus 4k should be less than 0. 25 should be less than k. 25 upon 4 less than k. Further, we can say that it should be less than 6/4. इससे k का वैल्यू होना चाहिए वो 6.25 से कम होना चाहिए. Right? So, but here is the problem. Here is the problem that this number is more than 6.25. So therefore D is the correct option. The distance between the points A, B and minus A, minus B is, यहाँ पे we have to use the distance formula. That is given, distance is given by A2 minus so A plus A whole square plus B plus B whole square. We know the distance is given by x2 minus x1, x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square, and its root. Here x1 is, you can say a, and x2 is minus 1. You can also write x2 minus x1 whole square, but it doesn't change our answer. And y1 minus y2 means b, when we take its negative, it becomes plus b. So a plus b a whole square plus b whole square, that is further simplification, 2a whole square 2b whole square. Further, 4a whole square, 4b whole square. Further, you take 4 common, a square, b square. The square root of 4 is 2. Take it outside. That is a square plus b square. So, C is the correct option. In the given figure, PQ and PR are tangents to a circle centered at O. If angle QPR is 35 degree, means this angle is 35 degree. PQ and PR are these two tangents. And we know what we know. We know that angle between radius and tangent at point of contact is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. And we know that this is ORPQ is a quadrilateral. And we also know that sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So see, 90 plus 90, तो ये हो गया. It means angle P plus angle O, their sum should be 180 degree. So 35 is this, so this angle should be 145 degree. Because 145 plus 30, that will be 180 degree. This angle should be 145 degree. So D is the correct option. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR such that thrice of AB is twice of PQ and BC is 10 centimeters. The length of QR is. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we know that in two similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is same. AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR. But here know that 3AB is twice of PQ, it is given. Or we can say AB upon PQ, that is twice 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3, BC is 10 centimeter upon QR. So on simplification, 30 upon 2, that is 15. So QR will be 15 centimeter and B is the correct option. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, here the angle A, acute angle is between 0 and 90 degree, then what is the value of sec A? What we do, we can take a triangle, you can say this right angle triangle. You can write here A, this is the acute angle A. So we can say 3 cot A is equal to 4. So cot A is 4 by 3. And we know quote is base upon perpendicular. So let the base is 4 unit, then perpendicular is 3 unit. Using Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse is 5 unit. But now we know sec A is hypotenuse upon base. So that is 5 by 4. I think this is clear to you. Or 5 by 3. Therefore, A is the correct option. In the given figure, BAC is similar to. This is BAC, and so we can mark the angles here. मैं यहाँ पे angle mark करता हूँ. देखिए. Okay. Angle C is common. A is common, sorry. So triangle BAC, I'm writing triangle BAC is similar to B, this angle, then this angle, then this 90 degree. So common angle, we can write angle. Now we have to take this angle. There are two angles common. So we can write this angle, this angle, this common, and this 90 degree. So we can write triangle EAD is similar to triangle BAC. Therefore, P is the correct. The SCF of 420 and 189 is 21, and LCM, then we have to find out the LCM of the same two numbers, 420 and 189. We know that the LCM of the two numbers, LCM of the two numbers A and B, that is A into B, divided by SCF of A and B. Therefore, LCM of 420 and 189, 420 divided by their SCF, that is 21. So 21 is 21, and that is 20. So 20 into 189, that is 3780. So C is the correct option. The fourth term from the end of the AP, -8, -5, -2, and the last term is 49. How to do it? Write the AP in the reverse order. That is 49 then -2, -5, -8. So the first term is 49. Common difference is -8 sorry, common difference is, I have to take in different way. देखिए common difference कैसे आएगा? Because we are taking from the end. So difference is -8, sorry, this is right. You can write -8 minus -5 -8 plus 5, that is -3. Now we need fourth term. So fourth term is A plus 3D. What is A? 49. 3 into -3. 49 minus 9. That is 40. Answer. So therefore B is the correct option. In the given figure, it is given that triangle OCA is similar to triangle OBD. Then what is the measurement of angle OAC? See, it is given that triangle OCA is similar to triangle OBD. Therefore, because we know that the corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal, so angle OAC, how to see? See, कैसे देख लो, देखिए O first, third, second. इसमें भी ऐसा ही लीजिए, first, third, second. It will be angle ODB. And what is the angle ODB? That is 58 degrees. So that will be 58 degrees. So which answer is correct? So A is the correct answer. The perimeter of the triangle is 38 centimeter. And what is the length of AP in this figure? देखिए, we know that length of tangent drawn from an exterior point to a circle is equal. So if this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is also, if this is X centimeter, this is also X centimeter. But it is given that the perimeter is 38 centimeter. You add all the sides, so X and X, 2X. 8 and 8 plus 16. 6 and 6, and that perimeter is 38 centimeter. So 2X is 10 centimeter, X is 10 by 2. That is 5. It means the value of AP is 5 centimeter. This is answer. One minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to 3. We can write 1 minus tan squared 30 degree divided by 1. The value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 2, 3. So its square will be 1 by 3. And its square will be, it is 30 degrees. So we can write that is 1 upon 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So its square will be square of 1 upon root 3, that is 1 upon 3. So we can write 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 3. 2 by 3, 3 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. अब हमें इसमें ये तलाशना है कि ये 1 by 2 वैल्यू किसकी होती है, cos 60 और sin 60 और 1 और tan square 60. We know cos 60 is 1 by 2. So you can write that is equal to cos 60. Because the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2, so therefore A is the correct option. The total surface area of solid hemisphere of radius r is, and this is the formula, you all know it. That is the formula of this. The total surface area of any sphere is 3 pi r square. So C is the correct option. The total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Right? So C is the correct option. Or which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? We know that probability of an event, any event, lies between 0 and 1. किसी भी इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 से कम नहीं हो सकती और 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती. देखिए 0.54, ये तो लेस देन 4 है, तो ये पॉसिबल है. 4% मीन्स वी कैन राइट 4 अपॉन 100, so 0.04. When you convert this into a fraction, that is 4 upon 100. Yes, this one. ये 1 से greater है. That is why we can say that this is not good. किसी भी इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी इट लाइज बिटवीन 0 एंड 1. 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती, 0 से कम नहीं हो सकती. इट कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 1, इट कैन नॉट बी लेस देन 0. सो डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. The question is, the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4r. रूट्स रियल है, नॉट रियल है, इक्वल है, इसके लिए हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट चेक करते हैं. मीन्स डिस्क्रिमिनेंट that is b square minus 4. You see here b is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4a is 3 and c is 4. So 16 into 3 minus 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. Since discriminant is 0, so roots are real and equal. This B. When discriminant is 0 means B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. In that case, the roots will be real and equal. So B is the correct option. The following distribution shows the marks distribution of 80 students, and this table is given, and we have to find out the median class. The marks below 10, that is 2, below 20, that is 12, below 30 is 28, below 40 is 56, below 50 is 76, below 60 is 80. Whenever it is given below, it means that is class mark. ऐसे केस में ये जो है ये सॉरी cumulative frequency होता है. So this is cumulative frequency actually. Okay. And the gap is 10 to 20. So we can write 0 to 10. Class will be this. Class will be 10 to 20. Class will be 20 to 30. This will be 30 to 40. This will be 40 to 50. ये हमने इसको कंटिन्यूअस क्लास इंटरवल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है और ये कम्युनिटी फ्रीक्वेंसी है. आप देखिए कि द सम द एन हियर टोटल इज दैट इज n is equal to 80. So n by 2, 80 by 2, that is 40. हमें ये देखना है कि ये 40 कम्युनिटी फ्रीक्वेंसी में कहाँ लाई करता है. देखिए 2 भी नहीं, 12 भी नहीं, 28 भी. यस, इट विल बी इन दिस. 40 कहाँ लाई करेगा. देखिए 28 से ज्यादा और अप टू 56 विल लाई इन दिस क्लास, एंड दिस क्लास इंटरवल इज 30 to 40. Okay, this class interval is 30 to 40. So you can say that 30 to 40 is the answer of this. This 30 to 40. This 30 to 40. So C is the correct option. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5 is. देखिए क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस सम of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So x square 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, that product 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. X square, that is 5 by that is 1 by 5, sorry. That is 1 upon 5x minus 2 upon 25. Take 25 LCM. 25x square minus 5x minus 2. देखिए ये 1 by 25 ये मायना रखता नहीं. You can also write 25x square minus 5x minus 2. So it means D is the, it doesn't matter. आप ध्यान दीजिएगा कि ये जो कोएफिशिएंट होता है इसका कोई वैल्यू होता नहीं. Either you write good, you don't write also good. So what is the answer here? The answer is this one. 25x square minus 5x minus 3. So you can say D is the correct option. Question number 19, that is of assertion reason question. First we go for reason. In an AP, nth term minus its previous term is constant where n is equal to either 2 or greater than 2. Yes. ये जो सेकेंड टर्म में से n माइनस वन होगा ये फर्स्ट टर्म होना चाहिए मिनिमम. और ये फर्स्ट टर्म तभी होगा जब n का मिनिमम वैल्यू 2 हो. ये मिनिमम वैल्यू होना चाहिए फर्स्ट टर्म. मैं यहाँ पे देख के आपको बताता हूँ. यस, वी कैन राइट सेकेंड टर्म minus first term d, it should be constant, or we can write third term minus second term, that is also constant. So the n minus 1 should be at least 1. So n should be greater than either 2 or greater than 2. So R is correct. ये तो correct है. This is correct. And now for this, the sequence minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 is in AP. Yes, because the common difference is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that is also correct. It means A is the correct option. And what is A here? A is that both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A. क्योंकि ये जो ए है assertion है वो रीजन की वजह से आया है. रीजन ये कहता है कि अगर दो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स है उनका डिफरेंस सेम होना चाहिए, कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे दो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स है, इनका दोनों का डिफरेंस 0 है, इनका डिफरेंस भी 0 है, इनका डिफरेंस भी 0 है. दैट इज व्हाई ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. रीजन इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इरेशनल नंबर इज ऑलवेज इरेशनल. ये ठीक है क्या? इसको चेक करते हैं. देखिए, आई एम टेकिंग टू इरेशनल नंबर्स. कैन आई टेक वन रूट टू and other is minus root 2. That is minus. देखिए ये इरेशनल है, ये इरेशनल है, बट माइनस टू इज रेशनल. तो ये तो बात ठीक नहीं हुई. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू irrational numbers can be rational, can be rational. It should be the answer, right? But if you are taking one irrational number is 2 and other is 3, then that is root 6. So irrational into irrational is irrational. So the product of two different irrational numbers can be rational, can be rational. लेकिन यहाँ तो इन्होंने ये कहा है कि क्या ये always irrational होता है. This is not true. Number one. Now, number two, for the second, when you multiply 2 plus root 3 into root 3, so we can write 2 root 3 plus 3. यहाँ पे देखिए स्क्वायर रूट स्टिल एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो ये इरेशनल है. तो असर्शन तो ठीक है. This assertion is correct, but a reason is not correct. So can we write, what can be our answer? So our answer is the C. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. So thank you, students. Thank you. That's all for this, the part, multiple choice questions. First part, section A of the sample question paper, that is for basic mathematics, class 10. Thank you very much. Thank you, Matt Sharma, Matt. Keep watching.